from the right, Steve Bakhtiari in the Xtreme XA41.
Shuttleworth. I'm Steve Bakhtiari. It's my first time here and it's a real privilege to be flying for you today. I've just strapped into a 7-point harness, 2 shoulder straps, 4 lap straps and a negative G strap between my legs, all clipping into a quick release catch. The lap straps have ratchets to really let me secure myself to the plane and prevent it from throwing me out, and that really matters when pushing and pulling high amounts of G. I hope you enjoy the show.
Well, as Steve was just describing to you, there are going to be some pretty extreme G-forces over the course of this display, and in an aircraft like the XA41 there is very little room for error. So he's just setting up now. These first couple of passes are about preparing him both physically and mentally for the display that is to come. First up, a rolling pass down the display line. After that opening pass, Steve will now climb to height, preparing to start the display proper.
I'm climbing back up now, and honestly, my heart rate's already up. The opening figure was just the warm-up. The anticipation I have for the start is really high, so now I almost need to disconnect myself from it all, breathe, and prepare for the dive-in for some high G and rapid rolls.
So the smoke now comes on as he prepares to dive in. Multiple snap rolls and opposition rolls on the way down as Steve builds speed for his first gyroscopic manoeuvre. And this will be a Polaroid. Rolls in the vertical, but feeding in some forward stick to push negative G, and once the speed bleeds away, the aircraft will fall out of the sky while still continuing to spin. The next manoeuvre is called an avalanche. This is a combined looping and rolling manoeuvre, usually with one roll on the top of the loop, but that isn't enough for Steve. So he is going to be putting 3 consecutive snap rolls at the top of this avalanche, putting one wing of the aircraft in a deep stall to flick it around its longitudinal axis. XA41, also known as the S-Bac 300, is a highly advanced German single-seat aerobatic aircraft designed by Philipp Steinbach. It has a super light carbon fibre construction with an empty weight of just 570 kilos. Combined with a 350 horsepower Lycoming AIO 580 engine, that gives it a thrust-to-weight ratio that is almost unparalleled in its class. The roll performance that you see is provided by full-span ailerons combined with underwing spades that act like power steering, lightening the aerodynamic loads on the ailerons themselves and making it easier for the pilot to move the stick in the cockpit. The XA41 has a roll rate in excess of 400 degrees per second. That's one complete revolution in almost the blink of an eye. Surface of the aircraft there as Steve now prepares to perform a rolling circle.
This manoeuvre is called a rolling circle. the aircraft rolls continuously around its own axis, sometimes changing roll direction, all while flying in a circle. It requires use of all of the flight controls, rudder, elevator and aileron, and so coordination is everything. It's a constant push-pull, positive G one moment, hanging in the straps the next.
Stressed at plus 10 or minus 10 G, that's 10 times the force of gravity. During high G manoeuvres, everything on or in Steve's body will weigh up to 10 times more than normal. His head alone could weigh as much as 50 kilos, and his arms could weigh up to 40 kilos each, making it hard to precisely move the stim.